Rule 111 Prosecution of Civil Action. Rule 111 of Rules of Court governs the prosecution of civil action together with criminal actions. It explains that when a person is charged with a crime, the civil action for damages arising from the same offense is deemed instituted with a criminal action unless the offended party waives it, reverses the right to file separately, or has already filed it for the civil court. Rule 112 Preliminary Investigation covers preliminary investigation, judicial inquiry to determine whether there is sufficient ground to believe that a crime has been committed and respondent is probably guilty, generally required for offense punishable by at least 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. DOJ Department Circular Number 015 provides streamlined procedure of PR, particularly the timelines for submission of counter affidavits and verification on the prosecutor's duty. Department Circular Number 020 update guidelines on preliminary investigation inquests, emphasizing speedy disposition cases step-by-step procedure. Rule 113 Rule 113 governs arrest in criminal procedure. Section 114 provides definition of arrest: taking a person to custody in order to may be bound to answer for commission of an offense, who may arrest peace officer or private person, arrest without warrant when lawful in flagrante delicto, pursuit or escapee, arrest by private person when lawful, execute of warrant, method of arrest without warrant, use of necessary force, duty of officer after arrest, arrest by officer from other jurisdiction. Rule 114 Rule 114 deals with bail as security given for the release of a person in custody. The law guaranteed his appearance in court. Bail may be in the form of corporate surety, property bond, cash deposit, or recognized is set rules on. When bail is a matter of right, when bail is discretionary, the condition, amount, and cancellation of bail. Rule 126 Search and Seizure. Rules 126 governs the issuance and implementation of search warrant and seizure of personal property.